Welcome to my YouTube channel Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Hazrat Zulkarnain alayhi salam. Let's start the video. Hazrat Zulkarnain is a figure mentioned in the Quran, specifically in Surah Al-Kahf. The name Zulkarnain means the one with two horns, and there is debate among scholars about who exactly he was, as the Quran does not provide extensive details. Many believe he was a great ruler or king who traveled widely and carried out significant feats. The name Zulkarnain is often interpreted to mean someone who ruled both the east and the west, signifying his vast empire. Some scholars think that he could have been Alexander the Great, while others suggest he was a different historical figure, possibly from ancient Persia, who ruled during the time of the early Islamic period. However, there is no clear evidence to directly link him to any one historical figure. Hazrat Zulkarnain is best known for his travels. The Quran tells of his journey to three distinct regions. First, he traveled to the place where the sun sets, then to the place where the sun rises, and finally, he reached a region where people lived between two mountains. In each of these places, he made decisions that demonstrated wisdom, justice, and strength. When he reached the setting sun, he came across a people who were living in darkness, possibly in a remote area where the sun's rays barely reached. He was kind to them and offered them the option of either living under his rule or being left to their own devices, showing his leadership qualities and fairness. Hazrat Zulkarnain's second journey took him to the place where the sun rises, where he encountered a people who had little protection from the harsh environment. He helped them by offering guidance, once again demonstrating his caring nature and commitment to aiding those in need. His third journey brought him to a region between two mountains, where he met a group of people who were being oppressed by a tribe known as Yajuj and Majuj. These tribes were destructive and caused chaos, so Hazrat Zulkarnain decided to help by building a strong barrier of iron and copper to protect the people from them. This structure is often referred to as the Wall of Zulkarnain or the Great Wall, which some believe could be linked to the actual Great Wall of China or other fortifications from ancient times. Hazrat Zulkarnain is remembered for his justice and wisdom. In the Quran, he is shown to always consult with Allah before making major decisions, highlighting his reliance on divine guidance. His story emphasizes the importance of knowledge, justice, and humility, as well as the duty to protect and guide people. In the Islamic tradition, Hazrat Zulkarnain is considered a righteous leader who fulfilled his duties with fairness and integrity. His encounters with different civilizations demonstrate the importance of understanding and helping others, no matter how distant or different they may seem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.